Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to block screenshots on WhatsApp. Just follow my instructions carefully. First, open the WhatsApp application and go to the specific chat where you want to send a picture while blocking the screenshot option. For this demonstration, I'll send a picture to a contact. When you select the picture to send, look just above the Send button. You'll notice a special button that looks like a half-filled circle and a dotted half circle. Click on this button. You'll see a notification that says, View once messages just got more private. When you enable this feature, the recipient cannot take a screenshot of the photo. For added privacy, they also won't be able to share, forward, copy, or save it. Once you click OK, you'll notice the button changes color, indicating that the View Once feature is active. Now, when you send this picture, the recipient will only be able to view it once. After that, it will disappear, and they won't be able to save, copy, forward, or screenshot it. This is how you can easily block screenshots and enhance privacy on WhatsApp. If this tutorial helped you, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.